We get asked a lot that what is a correct technique against, let's say, a punch to a face or a stab or something like this. And that's a wrong question to ask. Let me explain a bit more. It's not about a single technique, it's more about the similar type of movement that we are making.
Watch closely. You can see 3 different attacks, but the movement, aka the technique, stays the same. Let's see why it's so.
All of these attacks, as they come in, they will initiate some sort of reaction in us. And that reaction turns into some sort of movement. And of course, it helps when your partner is actually making you react and keep on attacking. And as you saw, we don't have to do this very, very fast, but we have to be consistent. In a situation that I would start to attack Hedy from here as she has her hands there, I'm gonna go over the hand and I'm trying to get to her from here and continue motion. And this was her reaction, continued by perhaps a kick to the groin, moving to the side and hitting me. Now, if we change weapon, I'm advancing with a baton at the same thing. Now she is coming in and doing exactly the same motion. And it's not about the hand motions. She might have her other hand lower here, maybe she turn around, and now I am coming in. Her body is coming forward towards me. And if I had a baseball bat, and now she sees that, hey, something is coming in, she is ramming into me. So instead of focusing on a single technique, let's focus on, okay, where is your body actually moving to? Where is the difference? The difference is in that if I start to think, let's say, like the technique that I'm here, and now she is striking me to here, and I'm trying to do something like a 360 and so on, I'm doing this. Well, the first thing is that from this position, if she actually strikes me, this will be my flinching reaction. And then, as she continues, she does this, this, this. Somehow I will need to move out and get it done. But practicing something like here and doing this, well, that is not my natural response to that attack. But once I'm in a situation, I don't know what you're gonna do. Yes, now it's my initial reaction because I already made a decision that once she moves, I am going to punch her. And there's the difference between reacting to something and already decided that, hey, this is what I'm gonna do no matter what. So if you find this content useful, please do share it with a friend so they can also benefit from our free content as well.